Hello, everyone. Today's video will take you through the fascinating life of Donald Trump. This story is designed to help you practice your English listening skills in an engaging and easy-to-understand way. Let's dive in. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a large family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful businessman who built houses in New York. His mother, Mary MacLeod Trump, was from Scotland. Donald had 4 siblings, making him the 4th child in the family. His siblings are Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert. Donald grew up in a wealthy family, but was taught the value of hard work. He attended Q Forest School as a child. Later, he was sent to the New York Military Academy by his father, who believed it would instill discipline and strength in him. Afterward, Donald studied for 2 years at Fordham University in New York before transferring to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he graduated with a degree in economics in 1968. After finishing his education, Donald began working for his father's company, the Trump Organization. He took charge of the business, focusing on expanding and developing new projects. In the 1970s, Donald embarked on his first major project by helping to develop the Commodore Hotel in New York, which was later renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project brought him significant fame as a successful businessman. During the 1980s, Donald Trump built numerous well-known buildings, including the iconic Trump Tower, a massive skyscraper in New York City that became one of the world's most famous buildings. He also invested in several casinos in Atlantic City, significantly boosting his wealth. At this time, Donald was not only known for his business acumen, but also for his luxurious lifestyle. He frequently appeared on TV and in magazines, establishing a reputation as a powerful and wealthy figure. His catchphrase, "You're fired," from the TV show The Apprentice, made him even more recognizable. Donald Trump's personal life includes 3 marriages and 5 children. In 1977, he married Ivana Trump, a model from Czechoslovakia. Together, they had 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. Despite their divorce in 1992, they remained close for their children's sake. In 1993, Donald married Marla Maples, an actress, and they had a daughter named Tiffany. However, they divorced in 1999. In 2005, Donald married Melania Naus, a model from Slovenia. They have 1 son, Barron, born in 2006. Donald Trump's children are also notable figures. Donald Jr. and Eric work within the Trump business. Ivanka served as an advisor during his presidency. Tiffany is pursuing a law degree, and Barron is still in school. Donald is also a grandfather, enjoying time with his grandchildren. Despite his business success, Donald faced significant challenges, particularly in the 1990s, when some of his casinos and hotels struggled financially. However, he persevered, solving problems and restoring his business's success. By the 2000s, Donald Trump was a well-known name not just in business, but also in popular culture. In 2015, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for President of the United States, promising to make America great again. Despite having no political experience, he won the 2016 election against Hillary Clinton and served as the 45th president from January 20th, 2017 to January 20th, 2021. During his presidency, Donald focused on several key issues. Economy. He implemented tax cuts to stimulate business growth. Immigration. He advocated for building a wall on the U.S.-Mexico border. Foreign relations. He sought to negotiate with countries like North Korea, China, and Russia. Health care. He attempted to reform the healthcare system. Impeachment. In 2019, the House of Representatives impeached him, but he was acquitted by the Senate. In 2020, Donald Trump ran for re-election but lost to Joe Biden. Despite claims of election fraud, there was no evidence to support these allegations. After the election, on January 6, 2021, a riot occurred at the U.S. Capitol. Donald left office on January 20th, 2021, and returned to his business ventures. Donald Trump remains a prominent figure with a significant following. He continues to be involved in business and has hinted at a possible run for the presidency again in 2024. His life story demonstrates the impact of perseverance and ambition, making him a subject of global recognition. Thank you for joining us in this English learning journey through the life of Donald Trump. Remember, with dedication and effort, you can achieve great things too. Keep practicing your English, and see you in the next video.